Ang sama ko sa Manila. Ako ano ka?
Nie.
Goed so. Eers in die middel, want dis die foutste waar jy naals is, né? Draai hom op 10 and do it on the other side. So that all your nails are now disinfected. Start washing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thumb and other thumb. And between the fingers. And then. And leave it like that. Do not do this part. You are not touching your patient there.
Morning.
Dis jou 5 moments of hand hygiene wat jy moet doen. Elke keer wat jy met die patiënt of met sy omgewing gewerk het. Each time when you touch your patient, get something for your patient or touch the environment. Thank you and good luck. Bye.